Creative visualization has been shown to be a wonderful tool to create states of calmness, patterns of calmness in the brain, improved ways of seeing ourselves, and it actually can lead to behaviour changes and mood changes, and sometimes they're really helpful in our homes and our classrooms. To get the best out of a creative visualization, we encourage you to find a quiet place. It can be the same place each time, or it can be a different place, but we tend to want to form a habit around a creative visualization. So again, it needs to be somewhere where you won't be interrupted, that you are comfortable, and sometimes as the body calms down, it can get a little bit cooler. So sometimes we really need to make sure that you don't get cold. The next thing we'd like you to do is basically, it is a closed eye activity. So again, to feel safe, we want you to choose a safe place for that. The best way to use them is to be able to use the same one 2 to 3 times a week for up to 3 weeks, so that the neural pathway in the brain can form a predictable pathway. Because later on, just the beginning of the visualization, the music or the sounds or even my voice begins the state of relaxation in the body. So it becomes even more easy the more times you do it. So I hope that's helpful for you.